Welcome to the installation guide video for the medium and large size SEG lightbox. Let's begin by carefully unboxing and placing the product on a flat surface. Using the provided matching numbers, start assembling the frames. Ensure that the numbers align correctly as you connect each frame. Make sure the male connector ports are securely attached to the female ports. Next, fix the top part of the frame and double-check that all frames are properly aligned and secured. Connect the adapter plug and verify that the lights are functioning correctly. Check both the adapter and the lights on both sides of the frame. Proceed to assemble the center supporting frames using the cross joints. Ensure that all sides of the frames align properly at the joining points according to the numbered sequence. After completing the frame assembly, it's time to install the fabric. Start installing on the four corners first and continue installing on the center of each side of the frame, ensuring a tight fit to avoid any wrinkles or folds. Carefully insert the silicone edge of the fabric into the frames. If you encounter any difficulties, recheck the frame connections for gaps. Plug in the power cable and perform a final check. Rotate the stand at the bottom of the frame to position it correctly. Raise and rotate the frame to install the fabric on the back side. Now, admire your finished product. You're ready to use it for promoting your shows or events. Backdrop Source. Printing premier backdrops since 2004.